Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining, thanks for clicking that button. I appreciate all of you. So today, I'm thinking of doing something a little different today. I was gonna take the truck out, do a few jumps on the ramps that I have built. If you have seen, some of you have seen pictures on Instagram, posted them that I built a couple of ramps, big enough ramps. But it's raining out, so I'm not going to take them out. I like taking my vehicles out in the rain. So we're going to do something different today. Today I'm going to build a drift car. I'm going to build a 1/10 scale drift car. Because I was looking around and I did pick up, not too long ago, a while ago. I did pick up a chassis and parts for it. I had to put everything together. I'm not sure everything was there. There was no electronics, no motor, and just the chassis, a roller basically. I'm gonna build a drift car because I've been watching a lot of videos. OMG RC has another channel. He has a few drift cars videos. A few other guys I've watched do drift car videos. I've seen quite a few I've been watching, and I got 1/10 scale small, street cars, whatever, but none of them are drift ready. They're all 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, if you want to call it that. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. We're gonna just get into it. I'm gonna grab the chassis and everything that goes with the chassis, and then on the parts wall, I'm gonna grab whatever's left that I need to finish the build. As far as the body, got bodies over there. Might order one. I'll use one from there for now. Lights, everything. So let's just get into it. Let's go grab that chassis. So we're gonna grab that chassis. Yeah, all these remotes. Chassis. Yeah, I love fishing too. I'm thinking about starting another channel. It's a fishing channel, but we'll see how that goes. There it is. The chassis. I have the chassis. Let's put the chassis up. Got the chassis. Fly Sky. Who's this one? Digital Fly Sky. Where's the other parts for it? How about we go with these? Go with these gold ones. Servos. We'll go with this one. Get some springs. Lights, electronics, body, hatchback. Really have a lot of holes. Drift hatchback. Okay, so this is what we have for now, guys. The chassis. Well, I do have hexes, but they're in plastic. I might switch them to the metal. So, chassis, wheels. Springs, just in case I need to change whatever is on it. Electronics, lights, steering servo. And what's in here is the case for that, battery tray holder, the center brace. That center brace. 1, 2, 3, 4 shocks. Got 4 shocks. Got that out the way. Oh, it's even got the center diff, but we're not gonna use it because it's gonna be a 2-wheel drive. I'm not doing the 4-wheel drive, so we don't need it. Got a bunch of pins in here. There's an antenna holder. You can use that, and that's it. Just little pins. But that's it. So I guess we have everything to make it a drift car. Guess we do. Alright. Let's get started. Alright. So we have the chassis. Let's get these wheels out of the way for now. Those are gonna be like last. Got the lights. That'll go on the body. Body's over here. Springs. These are gear damper sets. Got a bunch of them in here, different sizes. I don't know if I need them or not. I don't know how these going. So the car, I think, is a Redcat EX. No, what is it? It's a Redcat body. I don't know because it says it on here. Yeah, I know. When I got it, the guy said it was a Redcat. I don't know exactly what kind. What's the full name? I didn't go and check it out. But it does say Redcat on this too. So it's a Redcat something. I mean, if you guys know, let me know. Put it down below. Redcat. I'm guessing this came with it. But he had it all apart. I don't know why. But I bought it like that. I was like, fine, sure, that's cool. Put it together. So I didn't take, didn't know if it was also there or whatever. But it matches the blue anodized pieces on here, like the brackets inside there and here. But then there's this and then these two. So I don't know if there's anything else. We'll put it together. Let's go. Antenna side. Okay, so we got the chassis. Let's so we're not putting this on. That's gonna stay. So I should be able to take this off. Oh, okay, since we're gonna be two-wheel drive, we're gonna take these off. That'll work. And whatever we take off from here, don't use, keep in the bin for it. The front. Yeah. I mean, I'm not a drift builder, anything like that. So I just watched videos on what you can do to make it that way. So I know two-wheel drive is better, even though four-wheel drive is more controllable. They also said something about gyro. So I do have remotes that have the gyro, but we'll go with this for now. Let's see. Yeah, all right, guys. So I put that back in. That's back in. I also want to work on this, the camber, like not the camber, but the steering, to make it like it's maximum. But we'll work on that after we build this together. All right, let me get this together. This way. 1, 2. That way. Good thing about it is he left the screws. So my thing is I gotta make sure these screws all go to it and it's not missing anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought it. Honestly, I don't know exactly when I bought it. What's this? Oh, the cover. Give that a little clean because it was sitting in there. It's dusty. What was that? Go this way? Yeah, this way. This, actually I'm going to put that on last because I want to get this motor in. Oh, pinion. I need a pinion. Well, I'll pick the pinion after. A little smooth. Alright, I'm stalling. I'm procrastinating. So I'm trying to make sure I have everything. 1, 2. Yeah, I wanted to do this. I was thinking about it for a while. Smooth. Right. Hopefully does it go over? Yeah, it goes over. Okay. I got this. What was that? Oh. Does that go on it? Okay. Yeah. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get the drill. A little drill. What you doing? Dog. Can't do that. I have to put the cover on. See? How is this going to work? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, but I can't. Guess we gotta do the electronics. What I'm putting into it. $3,300 kV. What are you doing? Sit again. 21. 21. Go with the 21 tooth. .21 tooth is what we're gonna go with. So we have the pinion. We'll work with that. Guys, motor, ESC is in. So now I'm gonna put the cover, brace, and we'll be back. Brace is gonna control this, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so got the center brace on, the cap. Now I'm gonna put the shocks on. Then we're gonna put the servo in there before it gets full of stuff, and we'll be back. So guys, I did forget because I got carried away with it to press the record button. But I put the shocks in, motor, ESC, servo, receiver, everything is in it. Oh, here's the battery thing. That, and I'm gonna throw the next one's gonna be real quick. I'm gonna throw the tires on, and we're gonna size up the body. So I'll throw the tires on, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. Rims and wheels are on. This thing's pretty loud because of the metal gears. So yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. It rolls easy, but it's pretty loud because it's metal. So what I'm gonna try to do now is fit this on. Gonna try to fit the body on, and we'll be back, guys. And I gotta tighten everything up here. We'll be back. Alright, guys. So here it is. Sorry I didn't really get into too much detail about putting this together. I just did that trimming on the body, a little bit of adjusting. The back posts had to come in to two different ones. Battery, everything is in. All I gotta do is readjust these posts so that they're facing the same way. So when I put the pins in, they go sideways, not one back, one side. But that's it, you know. Let's get a better look at it. So guys, the only thing I'm missing on this is the lights, and I have lights here, but I don't want to add these. I have a set of the Tamiya lights. They have the reverse lights and, you know, high beams, turn signals, brake lights, all that. I want to put that on here. So when I get my hands on it, and it's up here on my wall, so I might have to look for it. But that quick add-on, you know, when the time comes. I gotta make some light buckets because there are no light buckets in it, so I want to make some light buckets for it. But this is it, all on the inside done, tied down, fixed up. That's good body. I think I'm gonna order another body for it because over there I do have the Toyota MR2 that I can customize to it, stuff like different ones, but I'm gonna order a different body just so I can paint it my way. So that being said, this is it, done. But other than the lights and the new body coming that I'm gonna order, we'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget, I am still working on the video RC movie for them. If you're looking at what I mean by them, him and him and him and him. Yep, I'm gonna add that one too. I'm gonna add a couple, probably add that one too, see what happens. Yeah, so till the next time, guys, appreciate everybody. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think about this one and any of the other videos I got going on. Let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one.